Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, insha'Allah, we will be starting the Quran Qaida Yassarna al-Quran, insha'Allah Azza wa Jal, starting off with the Arabic alphabet, insha'Allah. Inshallah, we will be starting the alphabet with the proper pronunciation of each letter. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alif. Alif. Ba. Ba. Ta. Ta. Tha. Tha is pronounced by the tip of the tongue touching the tip of the front two teeth. Tha. Jim. Ha. Ha is one of the 6 throat letters, and this letter is pronounced from the middle of the throat, pushing the air out. Ha. Kha. Kha is also one of the throat letters, and its makhrij, the pronunciation, comes from the top of the throat, and it is also one of the full mouth letters, so it's pronounced heavy. Kha. Dal. Dhal. Dhal, once more, is a letter, the tip of the tongue touching the tip of the front two teeth. Dhal. Ra. Ra is read full or heavy when it has a zabar or a pesh or fatah, damma in Arabic, on it. It will be read not heavy, empty, if there's a kasra, a zair. Za. Sin. Sheen. Sod. Sod is one of the full mouth letters. Dod. Dod. Dod is also one of the full mouth letters. Ta. Ta. Za. Za. Ta and Za, both full mouth letters, and are pronounced. And Za is pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the front, the edge of the front two teeth. Ain. Ain is also one of the letters of the throat, the sound coming from the middle of the throat. Ghain. Ghain, also one of the throat letters, and the makhrij, the sound coming from the top of the throat. Fa. Qaf. Fa. Qaf. Kaf. Qaf is also one of the full mouth letters. Lam, Meem, Noon, Waw, Ha, Ha. This Ha is also a throat letter which is pronounced at the bottom of the throat. Hamza. Hamza is also pronounced from the bottom of the throat. Ya, Ya. Sadaqallahu al-Azim.